Hello everyone! Welcome to your Tahiti Dance Fitness class. I hope you are doing fantastic. My name is Teacher Bia and I have prepared for us a slow-paced class. This class is especially designed for seniors or for anyone who wants to follow a very slow-paced class and maybe who has injuries and cannot dance so much. Okay, so this is a safe class, this is a safe workout. Now, before you get dancing, of course, always check with your specialist if you can do any workout. Alright, so we're going to get dancing. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please like, share, and subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below. Thank you for your support and let's get dancing. Today's dance is about the Ori Tahiti. It means the goddess, it means the queen, okay? So, I want you to feel like a queen, like a goddess today. Alright? So, Ori Tahiti, it's an elegant, majestic woman like us, like you. She is strong and she is beautiful inside out. Okay, so that's the dance we're gonna do today. I want you to make sure to have soft hands at all time, all right? And to really follow the music. Try to listen to the beats and be on the same timing as I am when we will be dancing together. Okay, let's get started. Ori Tahiti. Let's go. So let's start, and we are going to start with the hands, okay? So show me your hands. Try to keep your finger together, except when we have some motions that requires opening the hands, opening the fingers, all right? So we start like this. We have the hands on the hips, right here, fists together, hop. And we stay 8. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are going to drop these hands. Show me your right hand. Hop. And make it flat. Okay? So we stay 8. We move the hips and then we turn and we pose nicely. Okay, then you're gonna show the goddess, the beautiful Tahiti, okay, the beautiful lady, that is you. And we are going to go hands, drop the two hands here, hop, and this hand stays here. And I go up, extend, and I switch, drop, up. Okay, show me again. So I was hands on the hips, drop, and I drop, and I go up, right, and I go up, left, flat hands up, here. And then from there, I do the knight. Show me your hands to the front. I go 1, 2, 3, up. Hands here again. 1, 2, 3, up. Yes. And then I stay, and I'm going to drop. Yes. Okay, so again, the moon, up, and I drop and I stay. Very good. And then from there, the next step will be over here. I'm going to show the beautiful Ori Tahiti, okay? All of herself here. So my hands are like this and I go down, up, 8 counts. Okay, so again, down, extend your hands, touch the sky. Yes, there you go. So again, I go up, touch the sky. Yes, and from there, I'm going to drop this hand, drop your left hand down, and then I'm going to drop this hand here. Okay, so we're gonna go 4 touching, 4 steps here. I'm going to touch my forehead, I'm going to touch my shoulder, I'm going to touch my waist here, and I'm going to touch my hip. So show me again. So we did up, drop the left hand, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? So I'm here and I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip. Okay, that's it. And then from there, I'm gonna draw the rain of the night. Okay, so that goddess is coming out during the night. And I'm here and I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Move your fingers here. Here I'm here. 1, 2. I move all my fingers. Alright, so that's the raindrops. Okay, so I'm here and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I go the night again. 1, 2, 3, hands up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just 2 times. Stay there. Alright? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Let's go with the steps together until there. So it goes like this. The beginning, we have the hands on the hips, fists together, and I stay and let's count. And we go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn in right, left, right, stay, and pose. Hands down. Then I go Ari Iwahini. Drop the hands. Then I go right, tap, right, step, left, tap, left, step. Yeah, I go 2 steps to the side, tap, 2 steps to the side, tap. Okay, with the hands again. I go right and up, tap, switch, 2, 3, tap. From there, I'm going to do the night up. Okay, let's go. In front, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps to the front. 4 steps to the back. Back, 2, 3, 4. Stay, don't move, just drop the hands. Right, left, right, left. And then from there, I'm going to roll the hips, hands inside. 1 circle, 2 circle. Okay, make a round with your hips, make a round. And then I'm here. Okay, so I go round, stay. From there, I pose this hand here, and I pose and I go forehead, shoulder, waist, hip. Okay, so I was here, rolling, in 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you got it. And then we go this side, the rain, in 1 and 2, tap, 1 and 2, tap. Okay, from there, the night, 1 and 2, touch your hands, 1 and 2, tap. Okay, so one more time. From the beginning, it goes like this. Hands on the hips, and we stay, and bend your knees, and we go 5, 6, 7, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, and pose 7, 8. Don't move. And then we go to the side. Ari Iwahini. Drop your hand. Ari Iwahini. The night to the front. 1, 2, 3 to the back. 1, 2, 3, stay. Yes, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, I roll. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 rolls. I step. 1, 2, waist, hip. I go to the side, the rain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count with me. The 9. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's get ready. Feet together, hands on the hips. Hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turning. Pose. Ari. The moon to the front, to the back, stay. Rolling the hips, hands up. Touch, forehead, shoulder, waist, hips. Raining. The moon. Let's get ready. Feet together, hands on the hips. Hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turning. Pose. Ari. The moon to the front, to the back, stay. Rolling the hips, hands up. Touch, forehead, shoulder, waist, hips. Raining. The moon. Spring. Let's get ready. Feet together, hands on the hips. It's a very elegant song, Ori Tahiti, the queen, because we are all queens, we are all amazing as we are as women, and we have to celebrate who we are. Okay, thank you so much for dancing with me today. Please comment below if you like this class, if it was a nice slow pace for yourself, and let me know if you want more classes like this. I have many other classes available for my online program. You can check the link below, TahitianDanceFitness.com. There's classes for toddlers, adults, and seniors for the whole family. Okay, so thank you so much for your support. Big kisses. I see you for our next class, and never forget, you are amazing. Bye. Well done on your class today. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and come learn more with me online at TahitianDanceFitness.com.